Oh, I told Grandma she got a hold. I told her. Oh, look at him.
That's all right.
You may switch him?
No, it's okay. Hello, sweetie.
Hi, handsome.
Oh.
Squeaker.
What are you complaining about? Huh?
And he knows better than his mama.
There's your
He's
mommy.
hungry.
He's getting real red, huh?
He's alright.
Are you
He is?
getting hungry? There.
Oh,
There's Daddy.
Yeah,
oh,
buddy.
Oh, he's crying.
Oh, watch his lip.
Hello.
Big boy.
Oh, that's
That's your grandma. Show her the lip. Look at all that hair.
Yeah, look at all the hair he's got.
Gee.
Oh, are you gonna yawn?
Yeah.
Huh?
He squirms a lot.
Are you squirming?
Oh, he wants something. He probably wants his mother.
Are you hungry?